So I want to make this video real quick because nobody mentioned this here on YouTube. I got a GL1500 on the Goldwing that quit on me on my way back from Arkansas. And it was kind of intermittent, but I kind of had a suspicion of this to begin with. But the switch felt weird. Like it had two, like it stopped before it got there. What ended up happening was it melted. Those were loose. It melted the pin and it wouldn't allow it to start. So I put those on there and lo and behold, cranked right over. Anyway, check the simple stuff, I guess, before you tear it all apart and whatnot. Have a good one.